Story of a rice. My dear friends, do you know me? I am white in color. After cooked, my color turned to white. You can eat me. I am one of the main dish for your lunch. Yes, I am rice. Like you, I too have a birth and growing stages. My growth starts from a paddy. Paddies are soaked for 2 to 3 days. A small baby paddy plant will comes out with tender roots. Then my baby plant is planted in the field. You know what is a field? It is a big ground like your playground. See how big it is. Like you, I too need water and food for my growth. I need sunlight too for making food. My planting has several processes. First, the farmers plow the field with the help of the tractor. Then, enough water is filled in the field. After that, the baby paddy plants are plucked by the farmers. The baby plants planted in the field with equal distance. Farmers are my helpers, and they help me in many ways for my growth. My dears, remember, they are your helpers too. With their effort only you will get food to eat. So you have to salute the farmers. After planting me in the field, paddy plant will get necessary water and sunlight. With water and sunlight, paddy plant prepares food of their own. The process is called photosynthesis. My dear children, these are paddy plants. Can you see? These are the roots. See the white parts. Can you see the white? These are the roots. The roots shoot under the soil. These paddy plants are separated and this bunch should plant in the field in a equal distance. Can you see the equal distance here? Yes. Okay. My dears, this paddy plant too will play like you. But paddy plant cannot move and run like you. Paddy plant play with the wind. How you know? By moving their heads with them. By playing and dancing for many months, paddy plants will grow big like your father and mother. Small paddy plant will turn to big plant. After growing big, inside the plant, a bunch of small tender paddies will grow and it will be of green in color. This tender paddies are very soft to touch, and inside each paddy there will be a white milk. This is the first stage of rice. Then, like your mother, paddy plant prepares food for the tender paddy. This tender paddy will never waste food. After eating food, tender paddy will get energy and it will grow big. Big paddies are yellow in color. These big paddies will grow bigger and bigger. Its weight increases because it is strong. If it is strong, the weight will increase. Then the green paddy plant will turn to yellow. The paddy plant will become old. Like your grandparents Have you seen your grandparents' hair? The black hair gradually turns to white. No? Same way, the green paddy plant will turn to yellow. And the paddies will have a hard dress outside. Like you wear dress to cover the body. Paddies' dresses are very hard. Till this stage, farmers help the paddies for making the growth. So, rice is saying a big thank you for the farmers for their help in all stages of its life. Express its gratitude and thanks to the farmers through the harvest. Farmers will come and cut the old paddy plants and separates the paddy from the plants. We remove our bad characters for making us good, isn't it? Same way, bad paddies are removed through a process called winnowing. There are more friends with the paddies. Paddies always sit in groups. They'll not hurt or fight each other. After some days, these paddies are boiled in a big containers, then spreads out under the sun to dry. Each paddy will drain water by lying under the sunlight. After putting makeup, you will look so beautiful, no? So, the paddy is going to become beautiful now. By putting the dried paddies into the machine, after removing the shell, the paddies will turn to rice. Rice will look so beautiful and very tasty to eat. Once again, I request all of you to stand up and give a big salute to our farmers. Salute to the farmers.